Okay, let's dive right in. We are going to solve one of the absolute biggest headaches in AI video creation, character consistency. And we're going to do it with a powerful, little-known workflow that costs absolutely nothing. By the end of this, you'll be able to build entire AI movies where your characters look exactly the same from start to finish.
I mean, you know the feeling, right? You create the perfect character, you're so excited, but then in the very next shot, their face shifts, the hair's a little different, and the whole illusion is just completely shattered. It is so frustrating, and it's holding creators back. Well, that all ends today.
And the price tag for this incredible solution? A big, fat zero. Nada. Zilch. That's right. You can literally put your credit card away for this one.
So let's just lay out the two big walls that most of us hit. First, there's that maddening inconsistency that just ruins our stories. And second, the high cost of burning through credits on expensive subscription services trying to fix that exact problem. It's this vicious cycle, and it's time to break it.
And this really shows the difference, doesn't it? The old way is a total gamble. You're basically paying for a chance at a good result. But the new way we're about to build, well, that's a system. It's repeatable, it gives you perfect consistency, and it completely unlocks your creative freedom. So how do we actually start? Where do we begin? The very first step is to build this rock-solid foundation for our character, a blueprint, if you will. And for that, we're going to use a fantastic and totally free tool called Flow by Google. Now, this is super important. The whole thing hinges on this one concept, the source of truth. And look, this isn't just some headshot. This is a detailed model sheet showing your character from the front, the side, the back. This sheet becomes the single, unchanging reference that we feed the AI to make sure it knows exactly who it's creating every single time.
And the process? It's incredibly straightforward. You just head over to Flow, pick the Nano Banana 2 model. Trust me, you want that one for those crisp, professional results, and you prompt for a character model sheet. Keep hitting generate till you find the one, the perfect look. Then download it. And just like that, you've officially got your source of truth.
All right, blueprint in hand, we are ready for phase 2. We're heading over to our second free tool, Grok AI, and we're going to start generating our actual movie scenes. This is where your character really comes to life. Okay, but before you do anything else in Grok, listen up, because this is a real pro move. Go into the settings and turn off auto video generation. Why? It's all about control. This simple little switch lets you upload your image first and then add the scene description. You're telling the AI what to do, not the other way around.
From here, the workflow is super simple. You pop into the Imagine feature, upload that awesome character sheet we just made, paste in the prompt for your scene, something like a woman walking through a neon-lit city street at night, and boom, hit send. Grok will spit out a stunning clip that perfectly matches your character.
Okay, so we've made one clip. Awesome. But how do we make the second, third, and fourth clip without the character suddenly looking like a different person? This is the secret sauce. This is the hack that makes this whole thing work.
It's called the end frame method. And believe me, it is a complete and total game changer.
So here's how it works, step by step. You get your first animated clip, you download it. Easy. Then you take a screenshot of the very last frame of that video, the absolute last one. You take that screenshot, you upload it back into Grok as your new reference image, and then you just add the prompt for your next scene, and you just repeat. That's it, for every single shot in your story. And this slide, wow, it just says it all, doesn't it? On the left, you've got the old way. Total chaos, inconsistency everywhere. But on the right, with the end frame method, the character is locked in. It's seamless. The motion just flows perfectly from one clip to the next because the end of the last scene is literally the beginning of the new one. It's flawless. Now, you might be thinking, okay, that sounds amazing, but doing that 100 times for a longer video, that could take a while. And yeah, you're right. So let's talk about putting this whole thing on autopilot.
There's this simple little Chrome extension called Grok Automation, and it lets you batch generate all of your clips. You can set it all up, walk away, grab a coffee, and come back to a folder just full of perfectly consistent video clips, all done for you. It's basically a business in a box.
So let's just recap why this workflow is, well, why it just wins. It costs you nothing. It finally solves the character consistency problem. It gives you unlimited runway to tell your story. And for the big projects, you can fully automate the entire thing. This is a complete paradigm shift for creators like us.
So there you have it. You've got the tools, you've got the secret method, and you've got the automation to scale it all up. You now have literally everything you need to build your own AI cinematic universe with zero limits. The only question left is, what story are you going to tell?